Yes, and we are back here at Sensational headquarters to show you our new wet lace wig, Darlene. Darlene comes with her standard wig packaging. Her care card here says that she's in the color T1B/burgundy. She is dark rooted and has baby hairs from ear to ear, along with a pre-plucked frontal hairline. Her 13-inch by 6-inch lace parting allows you to part your wig wherever you like. She has combs and adjustable straps to help make sure your fit is just right. I'm just starting by applying my wig cap here. I am adding a little bit of a spray foundation to help camouflage the wig cap, but this wig cap will be worn for just video purposes. You have to adjust your wig to sit where you want it to sit and then take time to admire your pre-plucked hairline. I'm gonna go here for a side part and just take my time fluffing her out. She is big and she gets even bigger the more you comb. But you know what they say, the bigger the hair, the closer to God. Here's just a quick 360 of me feeling myself in this new wig. But of course, no wig is complete without the baby hair slay, so let's lay them edges, y'all. I'll start by trimming out my baby hairs just a little bit. A little bit of concentration will make sure your swoops are just right. To set your baby hairs, a scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes will help lay them down. Take it off to reveal your set baby hairs and luscious curls. I get a lot of questions about how you can refresh your curls if you brush them out too far. This method is a very easy method. I'm just using a little bit of water inside of a spray bottle, damping my wig, and starting from the ends up to detangle and reclump the curls. This is what she looks like, a little bit more tamed down. She's ready to go.